welcome to Itz Sirap. I'm about to put this beauty here on. Make sure you check out the video to see how I made it and to see this makeup look. So this is what the inside of the unit looks like. I made it on the sewing machine. So like I said, make sure y'all check that video out. I showed you guys how to put the elastic band in, all of that, everything that you guys want to see. So now I'm just gonna put it on. And this is a lot of hair. So I'm gonna make sure that my elastic band is centered. And tuck this. And yes, this wig is doing it, y'all. So this is what it looks like glueless. Feels good, nice and snug. This is what it looks like all the way around. Amazing, y'all. This is a new favorite. So now I'm going to pull out some baby hairs and lay all of that down. So let me get my handy dandy little hair container. So I'm going to use my edge brush to help me. And I do have those available. I don't think they're on my website though. I usually take them with me when I do my vendor events. If you would like me to put them on my website so you guys could get them, go ahead and put that in the comments below. So I'm going to use some Eco Style Gel to lay them down. And I'm not going to tie a paper strip around it or anything like that today, because this is going to be kind of simple. I don't even think I'm going to cut the baby hair. So this is really going to be really quick. So I'm just going to get a little bit of hair. And some of them are already kind of, you know, coming out a little bit. Those are the hairs that I want. And like I said, I'm not even going to cut the baby hair. We're just gonna put a little gel on them and keep it going. And this is my quick and easy glueless install. I do have other videos of me doing glueless installs, so y'all can feel free to check those out. And what I'm doing is just putting a little of this on the lace. So that's one swoop. And when I tell y'all this is not a lot, like literally, I have one swoop here. Over here, I just dabbed a little gel. And I think I might do one more swoop up here. And because the hair is not going to be, you know, all the way back off my face or anything, that's why I don't really need to do my whole hairline when I come home. This is just coming off anyway. And the tail end of it, I just flick that back into the hair. Like that. And that is basically all that I need. So for the part, what I'm gonna do is make sure that I can see the part. Now I'm going to go in the part with some powder. I'm about to use this BH Cosmetics brush. It is number 10 and it comes in a 10-piece set here, and this is a giveaway item. So make sure that you guys watch that video so that you can enter the giveaway. So I'm going to use this because it's really small and precise to help me get right in there. And you can use like a liquid concealer or something like that, but I prefer the powder. And the powder is just going to brighten up that area a little bit so that that part is not lost. Now I'm going to go in and brush it through. I did wet it and brush it through, but I'm kind of liking the way that it's looking with the curls brushed out. So I don't know, I'm kind of liking how it looks like this, whereas how it looks curly, not really sure what I want to do. I'm using my shampoo brush. These are on my website. I like big, wow hair. It don't necessarily have to be uniform for me. So I'm liking the way that this is looking. In the natural state. It's like kind of like a blown out look. I like that. So yeah, I am so loving this. So that's basically it, y'all. Quick and easy. The elastic band is gonna help keep it snug. If you have the part on this side and you're gonna wear the rest of it down, you mainly only need to do like your baby hairs on this side. You can do it all the way around, but as you can see how it looks, if the wind is blowing so hard that it blows this back, that's okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me pop this bad boy on. I'm gonna put some pictures at the end of the finished look with the outfit and jewelry and all of that. Today is my 4-year wedding anniversary, so I am super excited. I've been saving this hair for a special occasion, and this hair is amazing. So when I post the final pictures, y'all will see if I left it like this or if I wet it down. Okay.